78 Chevelle versus R34 Skyline GTR. '78 Chevelle. Wood carving and the timeless elegance of the '78 Chevelle come together in a breathtaking combination. The artistry and precision required to carve wood, coupled with the iconic design of the Chevelle, make for a truly exceptional creation. The skillful craftsmanship transforms the hard and rigid nature of wood into a flowing and organic representation of automotive beauty. This fusion of art forms celebrates the rich heritage of woodworking and automotive design, resulting in a captivating and awe-inspiring masterpiece.
Looking for a scale model of a plane, a car, or a ship? But you're frustrated where to find your desired scale model? Don't worry, Modelworks can handcraft any custom automotive, aircraft and maritime models from wood.
What?
Dial 1-844-8 models for inquiries or visit us at www.modelworksdirect.com.
R34 Skyline GTR.
Are you a fan of cars? And when I say cars, I mean fast and classic cars.
The wooden car carving of the Nissan GTR R34 Skyline showcases an impressive level of craftsmanship and attention to detail. The carving displays a good balance of form and proportion, giving the piece a visually appealing appearance. The surface texture and finishing of the wood carving demonstrate a smooth and refined execution. Overall, this wooden car carving is a remarkable tribute to the legendary sports car and a testament to the talent and dedication of the artist. What's your favorite? Comment below.